In this tutorial, I will show you how to use and customize video templates in minutes.
Our first step is going to be to find a template. FlexClip offers thousands of video templates that help you create all types of videos without the fuss. Browse the categories or type keywords to find the template you want to use. For example, if you search promo, you will see many video templates that help make promo videos or ads to promote your business. Hover over the video thumbnail, and you can quickly preview the content of the template. If you want to check the template with music, click the volume icon to unmute it, which makes it easier to find a suitable template. There is a heart icon on the top right corner. Click it to add the template to favorites for later use. Click the thumbnail to show all scenes. You can add a scene or apply the whole template. Check the box if you want to replace the background music. There are two options for applying the template: replace all scenes or add to the end of all clips. Once the template is added, it is time to make the design uniquely yours. If you wish to replace the media in the canvas, select it, click Replace button on the toolbar, or directly drag the media on top of it. All effects are retained after replacement, no need to reselect animations, filters, and so on. Head to our template library and make your video with great ease now.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit videos with our new timeline mode. Scenes and music are key components of the timeline. The scene acts as a container in which you can put various resources, and music is added outside the scene. Drag the edge of a scene to change its length. Press and hold, then drag to rearrange it. You can add photos or videos to the scene as background or picture-in-picture effects. The length of the background is consistent with the scene. It is possible to edit the length of the picture-in-picture separately. Select the picture-in-picture on canvas and it will appear on the timeline. Drag the edge to trim it as you wish. The length of the picture-in-picture cannot exceed the scene's length. Hold and drag to change the duration in the current scene. The music tracks are displayed independently under the scene. Music can be placed in any location in the scene, but the part that exceeds the scenes will be hidden. You can apply multiple audio tracks at the same time. For example, in a scene, you can add background music, sound effects, and record the voiceover. You can make some adjustments if you need. Just drag the edge to trim. Hold and drag to rearrange. Hit the scissor icon or double-click the audio track to choose the right part you want to use. Now check our new timeline mode and make your videos for free.